Hello friends, quickly join me to the board. Let us solve this question here. It says calculate the marked angles. And where are the marked angles here? The marked angles are M and N. They are the missing angles which we need to find their values. Now looking at this, we cannot find the value of N because we don't know what N is here. And also we can easily find the value of N since we have a clue of 276 degrees. Now looking at this, you will observe that we have from this point to this point. And it remains this little point here now to make it a complete turn, which is equal to 360 degrees. Now, for us to find this, we need to subtract this from 360 degrees. Or, in other words, if you place your compass here to turn a circle, you find out that this will give you a complete circle, which means angles, the sum of the angles at a point, which is what, 360 degrees. So let us quickly solve this. Now with this simple clue, you can now do this N plus 276 and equate it to what, 360 degrees, which is angles, sum of the angles at a point. Therefore we are having 276 plus N is equal to 360 degrees. Now what do you need to do next? We need to collect the like terms. Therefore N will give us 360. This 276 coming to the right hand side becomes minus 276, and N will give us 360 minus 276, which is what, 84 degrees. 84 degrees. Now having found the value of N, here now will now be what, 84 degrees. So this can now help us in finding the value of M. So let us find the value of M. M says that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of the interior angles. Here we are now having M plus 31 plus 84 equal to 180 degrees. So that will give us M plus 31 plus 84. Remember that N is now 84. So all of them will give us 180 degrees. Now let us sum. M plus 84 plus 31 will give us 115. 115, which is equal to 180. Therefore, collecting the like terms, this will give us M is equal to 180 degrees minus 115. Let us subtract. Finally, M will give us equal to 180 minus 115 will give us 65 degrees. Therefore, M is equal to 65 degrees while N is equal to 84 degrees. Bye-bye.